Hey guys, Mr. H again. I want to do question 4. I'm going to do this one the way that I would normally do it using the calculator. So we're given a function f of x equals a negative 3x squared plus 10. And then they give us the input or the x value. They say the x value is a negative 2. So all we're going to do is let me go to my calculator. Is I'm going to take the input, a negative 2, and I'm going to store that into x because that's what it is, the x value. Press enter. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to key in the function. A negative 3x squared plus 10. Press enter. And so the output is going to be a negative 2. That's the answer. Keep it moving. Now, the reason that I like to store is sometimes when excuse me, students try to substitute in a negative number, they'll mess this up. Their calculations will mess it up. Sometimes they'll make some careless error. If you store it into the variable and if you key the function in properly or correctly, you're always going to get the right output. All right, so the answer is a negative 2. Now I'm going to show you how you're kind of traditionally taught. So you're basically taught wherever there's an x, you're going to replace it with a negative 2. So this would be 3 times a negative 2 squared plus 10. A negative 2 squared is going to be 4. 4 times a negative 3 is going to be a negative 12. A negative 12 plus 10 is going to be a negative 2. So that's our answer. But we already saw that. All right. So basically, that's what you would do. Now, again, my advice is whenever you're given a function and you're asked to evaluate it, which is basically take the input and find out what the output is, I would always do it this way. I would always use my calculator. I would never, ever, ever try to do it in my head or substitute it in. I would just store it and then I would just key that in. To me, that's the cleanest way to make sure you don't make any careless mistakes. All right, I'm going to end this and